You worked 50 years, saved $1 million, you feel safe. Then, boom, inflation strikes. Red screen, zero purchasing power. Your hard-earned nest egg now buys nothing. You are broke and you do not even know it. Then the medical bills hit. Savings built over a lifetime vanish in weeks. Now, an impossible choice looms. Do you buy the pills that keep you alive or the food to survive the week? He retired, withdrawing 4% as market crashed. Brutal volatility devoured remaining savings. Classic rule failed. Now, lifetime of hard work gone. Safe retirement plan turned into absolute nightmare. 95 years old. The cake has 95 candles and your heart beats like a drum. You feel great, but then you check your bank account. $0. How do you survive now? Old financial rules fail. Smart investors rewrite playbook. They dump dead savings accounts. They shift cash to high-growth assets. Stop inflation from killing wealth. Adapt now or watch money die. Old portfolio dies. Look at chart bleed. We must survive. Shift cash to real estate and dividend stocks now. Safe havens protect wealth. Move funds fast or lose everything. Look at new portfolio. Bleeding. Government takes huge cut. Taxes destroy gains. Stop pain. Move money to tax-free accounts now. Protect wealth before taxman steals everything. Do it today. Cash stopped bleeding. Now dividends and rental checks flow every single month. Investor built strong fortress of passive income. Future is finally secure. Trap is broken. Wealth grows constantly. Red screens flash. Portfolios bleed. Panic sells rule day, but vault stays locked. Dividends flow. Rent checks clear. While others watch wealth burn, passive fortress stands tall. Cash keeps coming. Passive cash flows in. Monthly bills vanish. Inflation monster roars but cannot touch him now. He sleeps soundly, protected by cash-flowing assets. Wealth grows while he rests. Total financial peace achieved. Look at your peers. 80 years old, still working. Traditional savings failed them completely. We must study these mistakes now. Avoid this trap. Will you suffer the same fate? Old retirement math is dead. Inflation and market crashes wiped it out. You ran the new numbers and they are terrifying. Do not wait for a miracle. Start building your new portfolio today before time runs out. He bypassed the taxman completely. Shielded accounts opened. Cash flooded into high-yield dividends and prime real estate. Every single dollar now works tirelessly, building an untouchable fortress for his future. The trap is set. Look down there, the city struggles, caught in the storm. But up here, the system runs itself. While markets crash, this automated engine builds wealth. We are ready for whatever crisis comes next. Look at the screen. This is your final choice. Will you adapt your portfolio now and protect your future, or will you stand by and watch your savings burn? What is your move?